Good night. I am going to tell you a travel experiences and a part of my life. Interaction, praxis, and oral presentation. Talk about myself. My name is Julián Andrés Chaparro. I am 23 years old. I was born in Sogamoso. I am a student in the UNAD Business Administration program. Working sadly, I like sport and my favorite food is hamburger. I live with my wife and my baby. Best wish to all of you. Travel experience. One of the good travel experiences I have lived is with my wife when we traveled to Yopal Casanare. It was a weekend. I traveled by motorbike at dawn. I took her to see some of the viewpoints for where went to bike main parks and some tourist information about the work. The weather in Japan is very good since it is not always hot. It is warm and it is not uncomfortable to enjoy this place much better. Recommendation: take care of your health at all times. Close your bag or backpack at the time. Do not forget the vaccine. Take souvenir photos. Carry enough money. Places and typical food of Japan. Thank you very much.